They were talking about what Yarrow had done, and also that guy John, that other guy John, who
Yeah,
wants to do the pairing thing.
yeah, okay.
But then it just, I don't know. And there's apparently a problem with website one that kept getting Heroku messages that it failed.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, what I basically wanted um, to do was, and I sent a message to Brian how he wants us to proceed because I don't want to make more changes. I just want to um, at least submit a pull request.
Okay.
You know what I
So,
mean? And
yeah.
just to get the first iteration going, because uh, if not, we're going to continue making changes, and we never put the functionality out on the website.
Yeah. So you've
Don't
got you
don't you
got
think
the
that in the way we have it is good enough to for the
yes.
first run?
Yes.
Meaning, meaning we have the timeline going, we have some tests, we make the API call via the gem, and that's it.
Yeah. Um yeah. One thing though, I mean, all right, so let me show you what I was talking about with the spec.
Because the way some of these guys work is that instead of getting on with what's being done, they just come in and they say, "Oh no, we're going to change it all together." You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's just like no, we've been working in this avenue, and we'll continue working on that avenue, and
Yeah.
then we'll send a pull request, and then from there we keep moving things along. So I don't know if it
Okay.
is
So
our feature really changing now, or
I
because
would say no, but just for example, can you see my screen?
let me look at it quickly. I do.
Okay. So this entire spec is commented out. So if we don't need the view spec, we should remove this file.
Okay, let
Okay.
me talk to you about that spec because I think is uh, is this correct? Hold on. Um, Give me 1 second. Let me find it. I was asking Brian about some clarification on Selenium
Hmm.
and Phantom JS and Capybara. And
Yeah.
so that let me see if I can show you that. It might be it might be
I don't see your screen if you're sharing.
oh, let me share the yeah, I didn't share it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So start reading that. That will give you some uh,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So that was Capybara just emulates the interactions with the browser. It's
Okay.
not a browser by itself.
Gotcha.
Phantom JS is
Okay.
the headless browser. And then I asked him, and then we used to have Selenium, yeah, with Firefox, which we don't use anymore.
Okay.
because the Firefox, remember all the screens coming back up during the test? That was taking forever. I don't know if you remember when we were doing running a Cucumber test, and Selenium will throw these 1,000 Firefox screens while it was running the test.
No, I guess I don't remember that.
Yeah, that was kind of like took a lot of time. So
I want to look at my step definitions to see if I made any other mistakes.
okay.
That's one thing. And the spec, I don't know what you want to do with it.
No, I want to show you something on the
Okay.
spec.
Oh, okay.
Because, you might have an opinion about it. This was the index, I believe. Index. Okay, so the spec I started to play with John's help, and and I want you to read these 4 lines at the very end, 25 through 28.
Oh, okay.
So basically, I had this spec, but we end up doing the Cucumber. So all this is basically done in Cucumber right
But
now.
these are not view spec things anyway. Like the view, like look at another view spec.
Okay, let's go to users.
I don't know if users might not be
No.
best one.
In what way is not a view spec?
Well, it looks like you're describing like the behavior of the. Anyway, yes, I agree with you. Those last 4 lines. So look at if you look
But
at
am I not describing behavior of the view? No. I mean, like 25. It should render a display of scrums by date in descending order. And if I go to the features that we wrote, that's the first thing in the feature.
Okay. So number 25.
I mean, let me look. Hold on. Let me look at. If I go to Scrum feature, right? See number 7 in the Scrum feature. Renders a timeline of scrums for users to view in descending order.
Yes.
So I thought that we were going to write a view spec, and maybe that's the reason why John put me into this path, because he'd rather do probably specs than Cucumber. But now that we did Cucumber, I think this is just a moot point.
Okay, so yes, I do. And line 25, I could see that possibly being in the view spec. Line 26 is describing a behavior. Line 27 is describing a behavior. Line 28. These are all controller actions. So look at, for example, documents, spec views documents index.
Okay. I think I know where you're going. Yes. So documents.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm there.
All right. So you've got like line 28. It should have edit button. It should render new document. Line 49. It should not have edit button. And you've got things like should have link. Not what happens when you click them. That's controller. that the
Yeah.
link is here is view spec. So I don't know where he was going with that.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, I don't know. Is Brian gonna say, well, we need to have view specs, or I don't know.
Uh,
What the heck?
no, 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 no. I didn't. I wrote these lines, Miriam.
Okay. Well,
It,
yeah, those are things we already tested, and anyway, I would
I
just take.
think I think these 4 lines are already tested, basically.
I agree.
So, no point we can get rid of that file altogether if you want.
Well, I don't know. I mean, do you wanna? It's a, it's not really. It's okay with me, but is he gonna say where's the view spec? You know?
Yeah, but I think the question would be, what can we test with the view spec that
That we haven't already tested.
we haven't already tested? So, um, like, uh, did we run 26? Did we run that?
Yeah.
Play button. Let me go to there.
Yeah, those 4 lines. I don't know. I don't know if what would the view spec would say that it has a link to, whatever links there are on the page. Basically, I think the only thing you would put in the view spec would be that it has the links, and maybe that it shows the title, that it shows the date. In my opinion, it's not necessary because we did already test them.
Um, agreed, Miriam. Yeah, I, yeah. I think with the feature, I think we're covered with the feature.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and in the
You,
spec, and the controller spec.
I think I have. Uh, I
What
already
does?
did this,
Okay.
remember? And this is passing because I worked with John on this,
Okay.
and this is going to the cassette. It's picking up the information from the cassette. If you see my screen,
Yeah.
lines 5 through 8,
Okay.
it covers that, and this is passing, I think.
So I would just go in that file, take out those comments, and take out the last 3 blank lines.
Go to what file?
The one you're looking at right now.
Okay. Let me see. I'm just okay. Yeah, passing. So you will do what?
Take out the comments on line
29, 30, and 31?
whatever they are.
Yeah, okay.
29, 30, and then
Formatted this properly.
yeah, and then at the end it has blank lines.
At the
Yeah,
end, it is
44,
where?
44, 45, 46, 47.
It's blank for me.
Yeah, take them out. You don't.
Oh, I see. Oh, the numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Gotcha. See, I
All right.
didn't know that. See, that will.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And it's not going to make anything fail, but
No, 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 no.
it's going to annoy people.
After you told me yesterday about the extra lines, now I'm really okay. So this has 3 lines in here. Okay, that's good. This is fine.
You have to do git rm.
What are we gonna
That's
do with this? the commented out. We should
go to your terminal.
Okay.
And do git rm.
Hold on 1 second. Where am I? Git
file.
Status. Okay. Git rm for remove.
Yeah.
Remove.
And then the name of that spec file.
A spec.
Now.
No.
Why you have changes there? Like, why do you have gem schema.rb changed? All right, we'll do this anyway. You got to do this.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, I know why. Let's go one at a time. So we're gonna get rid of the this one, right? Yes.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, scrums. No, not a scrum. No, not a scrum features. No. This is a spec.
Use scrums.
And index. That is correct, right? Yes. Remove spec views, scrums, index HTML.
Yeah.
Yes. Done.
All right. So.
The reason why I got the gem file is that in RubyMine, I was not able to. And this is a question for you. Some of these gems were unavailable and they were kind of yellow. The background was yellow. And I think I did, what did I do? Well, no, I didn't do anything. It's just...
Do git status then on in your terminal, and then do git diff. Okay. It takes a minute to clear up. So what's different here in the gem file? Oh, gem. So it's commented out?
let me remember what I did. Oh.
Well, you can look at it in the diff. It shows what you did.
Yeah, I think I took the RSpec core, the version was giving me trouble, so I took it out.
Okay.
RSpec core.
All right, so do this. Do git checkout gem file. Git checkout upstream develop gem file.
Slash?
Yeah.
Git checkout?
Upstream slash develop, yeah.
Gem file?
Yeah. Capital G.
Like so?
Yeah. Then do bundle update RSpec core.
So what you're telling me to do here is we're going to go to upstream, grab the gem file, and then bring it back down to
Yeah, because you can't deploy it with that version. So do bundle update RSpec core.
Bundle update RSpec core.
Yeah, that's the name of the gem.
Okay, like so.
Yeah.
This was the change that you made, right? To
Yeah,
okay.
but I should have told you to do this before. And then do bundle install when this finishes.
So it's doing something to the debugger, and it's putting a debugger. Okay. Did you see what it installed?
Maybe that's a dependent. See,
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know what that's about. I don't know
Right.
why it installed debug. So do bundle install.
All right. RakeDB migrate, or there's nothing
Well,
to.
try git status again.
Okay.
Um,
So the changes not a stage for commit can be forgotten, right?
Wait a minute, but I still don't know why your gem file is different. Uh,
Well, we grab the gem file, we need to commit it, right?
oh yeah, I guess. What about gem file lock? And
Uh, what about it?
like, do
Because in the gem file lock, I believe, um, did I take the version out in here? I think I took the version out for, what
well,
is
you
it?
don't edit the gem file lock, do you? You shouldn't be editing that, right?
Hmm, let me see. Hold on one second. If I see it, I'll tell you in. Is that a no-no to
I
touch the?
don't think. Yeah, I think. You know what
Okay.
we could do? We could do a git diff on it, and the
Hold
only
on one
thing that
second.
should be different would be whatever gems should be the thing. But you have.
No,
Go ahead, sorry.
RSpec core 214A. RSpec core, yeah.
14.8.
Uh, right here. Can we
Well,
do the same thing from develop? Grab the gem file lock from.
no, because that's not going to have the gems that you added.
Yeah.
Uh,
I believe. Hold on one second. I might be able to help you with this quickly. RSpec. What is that RSpec? RSpec core. Give me one second, Ryan.
sure. But you should not be editing gem file lock.
No, but this gem file that we got is the one from develop, right?
Well,
Because I don't see RSpec core in here. Where is RSpec core?
I don't know. Okay. Oh, did we check that out of develop?
Didn't we do
Oh, yeah. Okay, so
we did git
why don't
checkout upstream develop. You know what
oh,
I did yesterday? Now it is clear. I had RSpec core in my gen file
yeah,
and it had a version, and I
right.
think I commented out the version.
That's right. So
Okay.
so I told you to do the wrong thing. You should do git pull Marion and that'll get the right one, not develop, because develop didn't have the one we need.
Okay. All right.
And then do the
Now,
bundle update
now
again.
it's clear.
Yeah,
And, that,
sorry.
and the reason why I'm asking you is where is RSpec core is maybe because we just grab it from
Develop, yeah, that was silly.
develop. Okay. All right. So I should go and say git pull Miriam Scrum Spike.
Yeah,
Huh? Okay.
because I had the most recent code, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, he's going to complain that I have. Okay. So, uh,
Rats.
why,
Okay.
why
So
is it pulling from you when there are changes to be committed?
it doesn't care about that.
Oh, okay. All right.
Pull it will do. So, hmm.
Should I go back and see what I get in?
Yeah, no, just because now it's confused. So just go back into the gem file and add the version to, let me see what line I have it on.
Okay.
So line, let me see, R spec core. So on line, right after line 67,
Okay. I have a gem debugger here.
so right after RSpec Rails, add RSpec core with that version number.
So right here, I'm going to do RSpec core, and then I'm going to do comma
2.14.7 in quotes. Single quote, 2 point.
14.7,
Yeah,
like so.
yeah.
All right. And then I should run in the
Bundle,
terminal.
bundle
Yeah.
update. Bundle update RSpec core.
Bundle update RSpec core.
Yeah.
I'll be back in 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Okay. So
Okay.
I run the puppy. You know, one thing about the bundle, the gems do not come in order. That drives me crazy. Sometimes you have to look it up.
Oh. So you did bundle update RSpec core?
Yeah, I'm just looking for it, but
Well, you can do bundle show RSpec core.
oh, I see. Yeah, bundle.
I think it's bundle
Yeah,
show.
no, yeah. Okay. 2.14.7.
Okay, and I'm not sure if you had to do bundle install now, but just maybe I don't think you did, but try and do it anyway. It won't hurt, right?
You run. Perfect.
Okay.
Respect Rails.
So now do git status.
Okay. Oh, hold on one second.
All right. I mean, this is reasonable.
What did we do? Bundle, update, RSpec. I'm doing it on the terminal. I
But you
did it
did it
on
already, no?
I did it on the terminal in RubyMine.
Oh.
Sometimes both are not.
Mm, interesting. Um, the next thing, db schema.rb, I don't think we should have that should be the same as develop.
Okay. And now git status. Um, okay, so
That should be okay.
that should be okay. So can I commit?
One more thing. DB schema.rb, I would check that out from upstream develop because we should not have changed that. Uh,
Can I look at DB the schema? What
sure.
did we
We
what
If
did
you
we
want to see
change here?
what's changed, do git diff, and then it'll show you what's changed. It's just the version number is different because we changed it and then we took the change out. So,
Yeah. Let me look at it. So where is it more?
yeah, it's past all this gem file stuff.
This is a nice command, huh?
Yeah, yours is in color too.
Mine is in color, yes. There is the schema.
Okay, so we should not have. Is it just that one line? Huh. Now, how did you end up with this back in? So do git checkout, upstream develop, schema date. Check that one out from upstream develop because we took that table out.
Yeah, but how come I didn't get it when I pulled from here? Huh.
Um, I think I don't know. Does it? I think there's something funny about it always putting in things that are added. I'm not sure.
Okay. So git checkout, upstream develop, and then DB schema.
Yeah.
Is that the way this? Oops, no. DB schema. Like so, Mariam?
I'm a little behind, I think. Schema.rb.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. It takes a second for.
Do you want to do teammate?
No,
No? Okay.
I mean I don't care if you want.
That's fine.
You
Fine.
can.
As long as you can see. I just don't want to mess this up. So git checkout upstream develop db / schema.rb, right?
Yeah.
So once we check it out, does that mean that it gets included right into my local repo? Or do I have to
Yes.
run another command after that?
No, this means that copied what was in upstream develop into your repo. So if you do
Okay.
git status now,
Okay.
well, you might still see it now, but because your it's
No,
different from what you had in your repo. No, okay,
no. DB
interesting.
schema disappear now.
Hmm.
Let me see. See, I had this, and now DB schema is not here anymore.
Okay. So here's something kind of weird. Changes to be committed. Modified gem file. Changes not staged for commit. Modified gem file. What does that mean?
Uh, well, we modified the gem file because we brought in a, we added uh, the Rails version, the
Right.
RSpec core version.
So is it staged for commit or not staged for commit? It looks like it's both.
Well, I think the changes not staged for commit can be stashed away.
But what are the changes not staged for commit? Well, what did you
Well,
do?
we had this before we made any changes.
All right, so um, gemfile.lock we have to commit. Gemfile, I just don't understand why it's in two places. It says changes to be committed, and then it says it's not to be committed. Gemfile. It's in both.
Um, all right, so
Oh, wait, do git status again.
well, you get
Is
the
it? Oh, is that
statement.
what GS does?
Yeah,
Git status?
GS. Yeah,
Oh, you sure?
yeah.
Okay. You set that up?
Um, no, I
Oh,
think
yeah.
it's a abbreviated version of the. See, if I
Oh,
do
I don't.
git status, I get the same.
For me, it's a ghost script, whatever that is.
Hmm.
Whew. All right. So, do you see what my concern is?
Yes. But when we started this exercise, I had this change is not a stage for commit.
But all right. So,
From
do
the
git add gem file then. That's. I understand. Like, if it's not staged for commit, that's fine. I just don't understand why it's in both. To
and
be
now get
committed, you know.
and now get status.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whatever. Okay.
How
So,
come how come we added now and it's still it needs to be committed.
yeah. So you want to add gem file lock. Okay. You want to add that spec.
Oh, I see. Okay, so if we add them, then features.
Don't add the features yet, because I don't know what I don't. I wanted to, wait, let's look at that. So add the spec.
Okay.
And then we'll do a get diff and see what changed in the feature. Because did you change the feature?
I took out the empty lines.
That was the spec, no?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I have to. Okay.
Okay, now do get diff and let's see what's going on with the feature. Then I should see a modal window. Can we look at that entire file?
No new line at the end of file. Which one?
This features.
The Scrums features?
Yeah, because this is the kind of thing when you see that you like something is changed, like maybe it was one of those things like with the
I took
schema.
the three lines in here.
That wasn't this file.
Yeah, it was. There were 3 empty lines in here. Look at that.
Okay. So you have given a visit Scrums index. You have 3 scenarios, right?
Yeah. How many lines do you have in yours? 25?
No. 27. I had 2 lines at the end.
Okay.
And I click the first scroll. Alright.
You know, if this gets too complicated, all I have to do is just get rid of the branch and just pull from you.
No, I think I think it's good. Alright, so let's add that. Maybe we should just run all the tests before you push everything. And if
Yes.
once your pull request is passing, I'll close mine.
Can I add that?
Yeah.
The Scrum feature?
Yeah.
Okay.
It should be okay. Oh, okay.
I don't know when to do. There you go.
Tab. If you get more than one thing, you just type in however many
Okay.
letters will make it.
So git commit now.
Yeah.
And this is latest changes. No, I'm gonna make modify.
More descriptive.
Yeah, modify.
Go on.
Gen file. Gen file log.
Well, you don't need to list the files. You just kind of, if you could just give an overview of what you did, because the files are going to show up in the commit.
Yeah.
So we adjusted the version number of RSpec core.
Added version number to RSpec core, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then clean up features, Scrum's feature, and yeah, cleanup
You could just say
empty.
and minor cleanups or whatever.
Huh?
You could say and minor, yeah, whatever. That's good.
Cleanup empty lines and deleted scrums index HTML ERB RSpec RB. File. Good?
Yeah.
I should have. I'm gonna run the test, okay?
Yeah.
I should have done it before pushing,
It
but
doesn't matter. Yeah, I mean, yeah, probably should have done it. Did you push? Did you
I
push
did.
it? Oh, whatever.
Yeah, I did. Okay, so cucumber, here we go. Oh, beautiful. Fucking blows up.
What the hell?
VCR. Who was messing with VCR?
Do it again. Nobody was messing with it because you pulled from, unless it was you, Marcella. um,
All right. Okay,
again.
uninitialize constant.
So you push, right?
I
Let
did.
me see if I can do a diff between my branch and yours. Because why, like, you didn't do anything to that.
Correct.
Oh, God.
Correct. Beautiful. Right off the bat. Uninitialize constant VCR.
Okay.
VCR is here. VCR is
So, and the
here.
thing is, like, why is this, like, it makes me nervous because why is it so, like, why is it different? So let's see what's different. Gem file lock. What is this? App views.
Hold on, I need to be looking at what you're doing. So, can you reshare, please?
Sure. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
So, this is really annoying. This is these weird files that I removed, but I don't think that's the problem.
You mean the XHR, those things that appear in the cucumber?
No.
Okay.
Pound hash mercury.js hash.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's all this. What is this? Is this part of that? More of that. Change to application.js. Very strange. Projects controller? User show, like what the hell? All right, this is crazy. So for this one, for example, do I have all these blank lines at the end of mine? A. Look at your views scrums index again and see if you have all those blank lines at the end.
You want me to go where? Views?
Yeah, views scrums. Wait. Yeah.
Index HTML ERB?
Yeah.
I have one extra line, 66. So I'm in views, scrums, index HTML ERB. How many? What do you have?
I don't have any.
Can you reshare when you get a chance?
Oh, yeah.
Please.
So what's different in app views users show?
App views users.
Wait. Let's find something that's more obvious. Do you have the file, the migrate to create the scrums?
The migrate to create the scrums. Okay. So db migrate.
We've added. All right, so you really don't have all my changes. That's the thing.
Create scrums. Create scrums. I don't see it. You mean the migration for that, right?
Yeah.
No.
Let me see.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. All right. What's going on? Maybe I'm not understanding what this command does. Set that everything. Then I should see a timeline for the scrums pending. I don't understand.
Hmm.
So,
So yesterday you made some changes, and then you went. You made some changes. I got those changes, and then I ran Cucumber and RSpec, and I sent a note to you saying they're green, they're passing.
yeah.
Correct. So, and now this morning,
You want to try pulling from, you did pull from me just now.
I did.
So,
Uh,
I feel like get diff, Marcellus from Spike. Like, I see that you added RSpec core. No, that's me. Let me see. Are you sure you pushed yours?
you mean to Origin?
Yeah, can you push it again?
Yeah. I'm clean in my on my branch, and I'm gonna push it again.
Yeah.
Git push origin Scrum Spike.
I'm just gonna grab this phone call. Oh, I missed it.
It says everything up to date.
Okay. So why are our two now do get diff
Okay.
Marion / Scrum Spike. So I feel like the only things that should be different are the couple of things that we just changed.
Okay. Here we go.
So let's see.
So
So are you are you all right. Color? Well, forget about .rspec. And then what's the next thing? Travis.yaml. Did you do it? Oh. So keep going until we see something that we like. Why would this? Did one of us do upstream develop and not the other? So what is all this?
I didn't do upstream develop.
Oh.
You.
All right. So keep scrolling down. All right. Maybe I'm not understanding what this is doing. Let's see what it says about the gem file.
Gem file right here.
All right. What's it? Let it sit for a sec. Oh, so we have, all right, so maybe do git pull upstream develop. Maybe that's the problem. I really don't know. Did I do upstream develop? Let me try that.
You told me to do git checkout upstream develop.
But just of that one file.
For the gem file, yes. Yes. I didn't do upstream develop for the whole app.
You know what we could do? We could go to the Git and look at your pull request, and then we'll know what's changed.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see one thing that can come handy. Where the fuck is VCR?
Scrum index with refactored steps.
I mean, look at this.
Gempile doesn't have, your Gempile doesn't have VCR?
Well, you see this in here? In the div? There is a minus right next to gem VCR.
God.
So where the fuck is VCR? No wonder it says uninitialize.
Didn't we say, so you checked it out from develop and that was my mistake, but didn't you then check it out from my branch, the Gempile?
You know what's happening?
No.
Some of these guys are pushing things to develop, and we're pulling from them. We're pulling from develop, and develop has a different code than we do. So if we go to develop, is VCR and develop?
No, but it should have been. But didn't you take this file? Do git checkout. Try this again. Git checkout. Marion Gempile.
All right. Now we're doing.
And I don't remember if you need a slash. Git checkout Marion / Scrum Spike.
I think I have it in my. Well.
Type.
Yeah, I'm going to type.
Type history. Let's see what actually. That might be good to know. Git checkout. Marion. I don't see it. Maybe before?
Maybe before? I don't know.
You could do history 100.
Anyway, can we do history 100? Like
I think.
Dash?
I think just 100.
There you go. See, I think we came in here.
Oh. All right, so we never went back and did the Gempile again. I'm sorry. So do git checkout Marion / Scrum Spike Gempile.
Like so?
Yeah.
All right, seems happy with that.
So look at it again and see if you see VCR.
There it is. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
I think do you have to do bundle install again?
So, in a way, develop is find that it doesn't have VCR because
It
we
doesn't have it.
haven't we have it only in our repos, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so RakeDB, do I have to do it RakeDB migrate? Okay. Now let's do
Try Cucumber now.
Cucumber. All right. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So I think the mistake was done by going to develop and grab the gem file.
Yes, that was my
Doesn't have
mistake.
VCR. Yeah.
I apologize for that.
That's fine. That's fine. No worries.
Whew.
Phew. So Brian says to do a PR as soon as possible because it's pretty big as it is. So we need to do the pull request the first iteration and then just push it to production and start working
Okay.
in smaller increments. Right?
Yeah.
I I noticed that this has gotten, I don't even know from where to start to say all the things that we did in the when we start writing the pull request.
You just need to push that gem file back up there.
Come on, baby. Come on.
I'll be right back in a second. Okay.
This is going to take about 3 minutes.
Okay, I'll return.
Mariam. Partial. Partial.
Okay, I'm back. How'd it go?
Uh, green.
Okay. And the specs?
Green.
Nice. Did
Yeah.
you put
Now,
commit? Yeah.
one thing that I wanted to show you before we go any further, in the scrums, if you go to the can you see my screen?
Yeah.
I put something in the chat in there that the sponsor is just overlapping with the timeline. So
Let's see. Where's that? Oh, this?
yes, right there. Become a supporter.
Ah.
And for some reason, that particular, I don't know if it is because of the sponsor getting there, that particular scrum is bigger than the other ones. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I'm being picky here, but
No, you're right. So one thing I would do right now, though, is I would commit and push that gem file so that you can see Travis pass, and then we'll look at this. Then we'll know if there's anything else we have to look at too. You know?
okay. And then the other thing that I wanted to look at is in the main page, what I put now view previous scrums. I took the
Okay.
word here and the exclamation point.
Oh, okay.
So that's something that we can discuss. And but you want me to push the changes?
I would, yeah, just so,
Okay.
and then meanwhile we'll look at this.
All right. And then you want to try to see if Travis passes? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so when you push that, it'll run again.
Oh, what do you mean? When I push to origin?
Yes,
Why? Why? I.
because
Oh,
you have
because.
a pull request on this.
Oh, okay. The work in progress, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, cool. I'm
And,
gonna.
yeah, and then you don't need to do another. Oh, so I'm not going to see this locally, the sponsors?
Okay. Okay. I need to commit the. Okay. I thought I committed the gem file. No?
You need to push it. I thought you did too. No, you didn't.
No? Okay.
You could look at your history again.
Git diff.
Just do history. No, don't do git diff, just history. And see if you. So, git status, Rails S, RSpec, Cucumber, Recti.
Oh, I guess
No,
not.
yeah, not.
So here we go. So got gem file from Marianne and VCR was there. Okay, and what else? Change partial.
What else did you do? Did you do that?
Yeah, because that's
Um,
where the view where that message is. The this this is in view previous scrum is right here in this
oh,
partial
okay.
right there. And what else? And I didn't do anything to the DB schema. I don't think.
Okay, but you didn't add the round banners thing to. What the hell is going on with the DB schema now? So you got to
What?
commit that round banners thing,
Yeah,
Marcelo.
I will. Okay, you push
But that's
origin.
not going to be committed. Yeah, wait. Do you get status again? Oh, you added everything? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I changed it in the code.
All right, but you don't know what you did to DB schema and you just added it to the commit, right?
You know, this is not the first time that I see that DB schema comes up.
All right, let's see what's going on with it.
I don't know, but I've seen it before. So git push. I think I did git push origin. Right? No?
No.
Okay. Okie dokie.
Okay.
The schema. Why would the schema change and you didn't do anything to the database? Let me see. Schema. Create table. Add index.
The scrums thing, I believe, is back in the table. Look at your DB schema. You shouldn't have committed that.
Create table scrums.
Yeah. In dbschema.rb.
Yeah.
Check that back out from upstream develop and push it back up there.
Okay, git checkout upstream develop. Um, schema.rb.
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah.
Schema.rb did not match.
Oh, db /
Oh,
schema.rb. But when you see something that you don't know why it's changed, don't commit it because
Yes.
chances are something's wrong.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So you gotta commit and push that again.
So let me see now. Okay. Grab TV, the schema, the RB. From develop. From upstream develop.
I think that box is just bigger because it is bigger. It's longer, the title.
Hold on one second. Let me see. Git commit, git push, origin, scrum, spike. All right.
Okay.
But why did it change in the first place? That's what I'm trying to understand.
Why did it change?
Why was the schema changed to where the table was there again? Anyway,
Why did it change?
so now git status. Okay, I'm clean. I'm clean.
I don't know.
Or just attribute it to Marcelo's newbie error.
But you're right, it would be good to know so we don't do it again.
Because I didn't do anything to the
True.
scheme. Anyway, so now I'm clean, and you should be able to grab it. Are you looking at the issue with
Yeah.
right? I'm sorry, but I lost the screen share again.
Okay.
So my question is, those manners are in production too, right?
I think.
Okay. And I should go to Travis and see if. So this is right now attempting to go the build.
Yeah.
It's already failing, I think.
No, come on, really? Why?
Hold on.
For me, it's not.
No. It's in the is in bundle install right now.
Okay.
I need to get some of those hold on, history. Because you showed me a few commands that would be good for my arsenal. Git checkout. So Okay. Did you go to your JavaScript meeting last night?
No, I did not. And
You lazy bum.
um, my lovely daughter had a math test,
Oh, okay.
and I stayed home because she needed help,
I see.
and then she didn't let me help her. I'm really mad.
Is your daughter into computers or programming or things like that, or?
Um, she likes it. Like I let her. She wants to learn JavaScript. She does like it. There's a little thing called Alice for kids,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I showed her that, and she was pretty good at it too. Like she figured out, oh, there was something that it was in an if then, and there was something that, and she looks at it, she goes, well, it's never gonna get there. Like I was kind of surprised she figured that out, but she hasn't done that in a while. She's really
She
busy.
she's what, 11 or 12, you said?
She's 11.
Oh, okay.
Waiting to see the results of this math. I was so mad.
Go Travis. Go Travis.
So this banner thing, do they want this on every page? I notice it's not on every page. So I see it on the About Us page.
Okay. So, since we are introducing that page,
Oh wow, I just crashed Mozilla. Nice.
Miriam, we're introducing that page. That is Crimes Index page.
Yeah. Oh, it's on projects? Wait, maybe I'm wrong. It's on members.
Yeah.
Not, it's on articles, but it's on the left.
All
No, it
right.
is on every page. So let's look at Scrum's index.
Oh, it's probably in the application .rb.
Yeah,
Okay. So it'll get added to everything that, see?
but then everything else should be smushed up on the side. Let's see. Okay.
What are you looking at?
Application RB.
Okay.
And then let's look at something that has it. Projects, right? Um,
Where? So you're taking out the div?
I'm just gonna see if that does anything. Yeah, you can't have the nested containers, I think. Let's here, look.
Yeah.
Now it smushes it to the side. Okay.
So I cannot have what? Is that what you said?
Nested containers.
Okay.
And do you want this to be like a big giant thing like that? Let's look at projects.
No.
That's weird. That's not that. So maybe, let's see if they have an H1 list of projects. I kind of think it was a little bit, it looked better
Yes.
before, right?
Yeah, but I agree with you that it was too big.
So you could get rid of either Welcome to the Scrums page or Scrums timeline. They shouldn't both be.
Yes, and also, what does choose the Scrum to view?
Yeah, that's true.
Or
So,
no, I go back to the browser, Miriam, 1 second. Let's get rid of Scrum's timeline. I mean, that's just kind of redundant, don't you think?
yeah.
And keep welcome to the Scrum's.
And what's this? Class equals page header. Do we want that?
What is it?
It was for the Scrums timeline. Let's just see. I kind of like the Jumbotron though. That looked kind of nice there.
The Jumbotron was nice. Yes, I agree. Can we have the Jumbotron in a smaller?
I think it might be smaller. What is wrong with me? I can't type.
See, it makes it so big. Can we make the font the font smaller. H2, yeah.
Mm.
Eh, eh.
Uh, what does it say on the projects page? List of projects. That's not really good either. All members, all articles. Those are all bad.
All bad, yeah.
I don't have a ballot in mine. Although I could have sworn I just saw it. It should just say members. Check out our awesome volunteers from all over the globe. This comma does not belong here. Yeah, see, this is better. Agile Ventures events. List of projects.
We can do, well, I kind of like the welcome to the Scrums page. I think there is, don't you think? There is nothing wrong with that title, right?
I actually like it, yes.
I do. So we leave it like that for now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to have the, that's how the timeline is going to look? Is a little bit smaller so it fits?
Yeah. What do you think? It looks better, right? I mean, we have to live with that.
Yeah. 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 And now they are all the same size, do you think?
I think that one was bigger just because it had a longer headline. I think they're going to be, where is that one?
Choose Scrum to
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
I mean, if it had another line, see, now they all are all on 2 lines. So if you had one that was just 1 line, it would be smaller. But I think there's nothing you could do about that unless you want to change the
No, that's fine. But should we keep that little bit of text that said choose a Scrum to view? Or do you think it's unnecessary?
I think we could have, let's see what they have here.
Oops. Why are you constantly losing the screen share?
I don't know.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
It's like every 10 minutes.
It is weird. Is it because I'm doing control? Is this doing it?
I don't know. Now it's back.
And it's not going away?
No.
I don't know then.
But it's like every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I haven't been paying attention to what happens, but.
Okay, so what do you want to say? Choose a. So basically, what we want to say is that.
View previous Scrum, I think is fine with me, at least for the first one. Unless you want to change it.
It'll never change. I think we should find something a little nicer.
So we went from archive Scrums, which was awful, to...
Well, this is a different page, though. So choose a Scrum.
Oh, you mean, okay, yeah.
To view. That isn't so bad, right?
Let me see, hold on. What are you saying? Choose a what?
Like you said, put back choose a Scrum to view. I think that actually was okay.
Okay, sure. Let's put it back.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
So one thing, we don't need the word page, really.
Sure, yeah.
But welcome to the Scrums doesn't make any sense. So
Yeah. Okay. Good point. Welcome to,
I think it's okay.
I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, you
How
know.
about welcome to our Scrums page? That sounds. Let's
Let's
see
see
how
how
it
it
looks.
looks.
No,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's up to you.
Yeah. You like it better than welcome to the Scrums page? Yeah, ours is more
I
more
do.
personalized.
Like, look, this says check out our awesome volunteers from all over the globe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree. Agree. Yeah.
Or we could even say something like get involved by viewing. I don't know. We could think about it later, but
And the second run,
yeah.
Miriam, we need to send it.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna commit it, then you can pull it and push it.
Yeah.
Did the Travis build finish? Let's see.
Let's see.
No,
It's a Nokogiri.
really.
Oh no.
What?
It failed right here. The command bundle exec regdb migrate failed.
Okay. This, I
That you
swear to
mentioned
God,
that to me.
you do a bundle update in your local directory, and then do a bundle install, and then push the jump file lock.
Okay.
That's crazy. That's what I had, and it was that.
So that's the error that you had before,
Yeah,
right?
and it was because of the
Okay.
RSpec core version. Git commit dash
Why don't I get your changes and then do the whole thing?
All right. Okay.
All right.
Wait a
Ready?
second. Why does this say 2 files changed? Hold on a second. What 2 files changed?
Well, the round banners and the index,
No,
I
I
think
didn't
you
change 2
changed.
files. You know what changed? Freaking schema.rb.
Oh, see? Why? I don't get it. How strange, Miriam, huh?
For some reason, it was staged for commit, and I missed that. Wait, git remove file from commit. I pushed it though. I don't think I can do it now. Let's see.
So in my gem file, when I pull from you, I'm gonna get that change.
No, we got.
I can get rid of it.
But it's gonna keep coming back.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe I'll just change it.
Is it because we're still working on files that were associated with that table?
No. So if I do git checkout and I look at schema.rb, it's not there. All right, you know what? Go ahead and pull and see what it looks like.
Yes.
Maybe
We should.
so. Look at the file now, the schema.rb.
So the changes that are coming are on the index and the Scrum's index HTML.rb ERB. But
Okay.
I'm gonna look at the schema right now.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So Control F. No. There is no Scrum table.
Okay. All right. Cool.
I don't see it. Create table projects. Oh.
She got a 77 on the math test.
What is that?
She got a 77 on the math test.
77. That's C.
Yep. See, as in, I'm never going to see my iPad again.
Mom's rules. Mom rules. No more iPad. Anyway, let's see. Let's look at the. Okay. So I'm in the view previous scrums. Welcome to our Scrums page. Choose Scrum to view. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Now,
That does look good. Nice job, Marcella.
now, my question is, how are we gonna get? Why aren't we getting the latest?
What do you mean?
Well, that is, April 23rd, 2014.
Because of VCR?
Oh, okay. Right. Yeah.
Let's push, I have a Heroku.
See, the whole idea was to get the, yeah, I know.
Yeah, are we going to get those in real life? Let's try this.
No, because the idea was to persist, and then via the API call get the latest. But now we changed that.
Wait, we didn't change it. We just added that for testing, right? That's only supposed to be for testing.
The what was for testing?
VCR.
Okay. Oh, all right. I'm confused now.
Why?
So when we push it to production, what's going to be different?
When we push it to production, I don't know, but just like when you run tests, you don't get real data. VCR is supposed to play back data for testing. Why would we push it to production with? I'm pushing it to Heroku right now.
We can push it to yeah, exactly. Good idea. Push it to your instance of Heroku.
Yeah.
So VCR under the testing environment, and then, but the real net calls are disabled. So we would have to enable that.
They're disabled for everything or just for testing?
This is so cool. So much learning. So cool. Let's see. Let's go back to. In fact, I was talking to Brian about this issue yesterday, and he shed some light on it. So, okay, if we go to features support env.rb. Features support.
Okay, so that's a testing file.
It is a testing file.
That shouldn't affect production.
Okay, right there. See where it says webmock. Okay, so it was disabled for testing. That's fine. Yeah, environment cucumber. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Now, if I go to, what would that be? Environment.rb. Where would it be the production webmock?
I thought webmock was for testing.
Okay. All right. Even better. Okay, yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right. Hmm. Well, maybe we're tripping here. Just push it to Haruko and see what we get.
Yeah.
I'll be back in 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
So cucumber pass?
Um. Yeah.
Cool.
Get push Haruka.
I think that's the correct uh, Scrum branch colon master.
Doesn't work.
Pushing to Heroku. Hold on. You mean the commands are not working, or?
No, the application itself is not working. Where are the Heroku logs?
Heroku.
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oops.
I didn't do the migration, although I don't think I need it to. Mm. Okay, that's better.
Can you reshare, please? Yeah, back. What was the problem?
DB migrate.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Um. Hmm.
Mm, 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 mm. Hmm.
Should set a rack and complete their development. Hmm. I don't know.
What's going on?
Well, I set the environment to production for the app, unless I didn't do it right.
Right there. What did you do in there? Right that second. You went from the browser to where? Because that's when you lost the share.
Oh, really?
I don't know. What did you do?
I went from the browser to the terminal.
Okay.
Okay,
And
here I am in the browser.
now you're back in the browser.
I'm going to try it again.
Now you're back.
Am I gone?
No, you're back. Now I see the terminal.
So where did you see the HTTP stuff disabled?
The HTTP stuff disabled
Config.
in features, support, blah, 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 blah.
env.rb.
And the env.rb, yes. But you're absolutely right. That is in the test environment.
So if we...
And in fact, in line 6, it says environment cucumber, and is assigned cucumber is assigned to that environment. So
Oh.
I think all these things are things that we use in the test environment, Mariam. Yeah, good idea.
Hmm. So, how do we know? Hmm.
This become an interesting point right now, right? Because now we need to abandon VCR, right? And
Unless I don't have it set up right.
Right, because I'm trying to understand. So far, the whole setup was to make a call to the VCR file. And now we need the real thing.
Let's see.
So what would be the
Production and development mode.
YouTube API call?
Development and production modes.
JavaScript. Hmm.
Your station, app, or any other custom environment should be run with. Do I maybe need to stop the app and start it again?
Let's chat for 1 second. So what is the overall idea now that we are in production? Is what do we need to do?
Well, I thought that it would then make it so that we would see the scrums, you know?
So this will be a real API call, right? To YouTube.
I thought so, but
Okay.
I was just thinking maybe we need to
Because
stop
the
it.
the VCR has static information, right? It's just contained within that file, right? Doesn't get any updates. So there has to be a way to make some sort of a real call to the API to be able to retrieve the latest and greatest.
Yeah. So I just don't know whether me changing this configuration variable actually did anything. So how do I?
Which one, Marianne?
The one that you just saw, change the environment to production, but maybe I need to restart the app.
Maybe, yeah. Good idea. But I still don't know where are we saying in the code. Well,
I don't know
now
yet
we're
either.
no longer in the test environment. So but run that and see what happens, because I think it's a good idea. So what we got? Controllers, Scrum's controller. Hello.
All right, I don't know if it did it or not. Heroku restart.
Can I bug you for the umpteenth time? Reshare.
Sure. Oh, so stupid.
Okay, it's back. Glacial Sabana.
It's not good. So I'm in the controller. Like what in here? This is development. Heroku run content. Interesting. So it does think it's production. So what if I do the YouTube query now?
Okay, so that is the real query, right?
What is?
The one that we have in the index?
I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a YouTube it, right?
Yeah, yeah. What is the date on that? You see, 610. There you go.
I don't know though. So what's that date mean? Is that today?
Well, well, yeah, you're pulling from, yeah, you're pulling
Well, how do we
from the
know
API.
that's, I mean, how do you know that's, what is that the date of? Maybe that's just today's date.
Well, doesn't it refer to
I don't
go
know.
back up? I mean, we just can verify it right away. Updated at 2014 610 UTC.
But is that the date of the video or what?
Well, let's see.
Let's find.
Publish at 418. Yeah, let's get an ID and I can look it up right now.
Okay. I mean, the date should be there.
Well, how many, what is the count? Do you get 20?
I asked for one.
Okay. So maybe you're right. At the beginning is the date for today, but
Yeah, just not
I wonder if
sure.
we could beautify that a little bit. Can you do Y and then the command? I don't know if that will work, but
Like that?
yeah,
Mm.
no. Anyway, do you see? Let me go to YouTube. What is the Atlantic Scrum?
I don't know.
Atlantic Scrum.
Well, here, I get it. I put it in here.
Okay.
This is April 18th.
No, we don't want that.
That's funny. Okay, so,
Where did
right?
you get
So,
that April 18?
I took the link out of here, this one. I took this link,
Yeah.
copy link address, and I pasted it into the browser.
And that came up. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so, uh, wait a minute. I'm stupid. I'm in the wrong place. Gosh. I'm doing it in development. So I need to be in this window. I think I do all this. Okay. So I want to get that query. Client. That's not the right link.
I saw somewhere it says the result count 46.
Oops. Okay. Video is this one, I think.
Okay.
I think it's the same one.
It's the same one, yes.
So, let's see.
Maybe we need to fiddle with the configuration of VCR
I would say so.
to allow it to forget about the cassette.
Yeah. Okay, Rails environment equal if it equals test.
Okay, so I guess we could play with rails.env equals production.
Guess. I don't know.
Sheet number 8.
Yeah.
Let's comment that out. Because maybe that's, if we start playing with this file and see what we get. Is that the command line on Heroku or on your local?
Let me get out of here because this is confusing. This is Heroku.
All right. Let's see, Google.
Uh, well, that didn't do anything. All right, so
Okay, hold on. Let's see stuff. VCR. I did not get real error. Fast.
well, we got to figure out what to do here.
Look at this. Can you look
Yes.
at my screen?
Okay.
So with this configuration, he says I get the expected real HTTP connections are disabled. Then but what is different? Oh, the versions are different. I wonder what our versions are.
Look at line 5 in rails.env in config initializers.
Hold
What
on.
the hell? Line 5 is commented out.
Okay. Yeah. All right. But I wonder what needs to be disabled now. Maybe line 3.
I think it was just that one.
Okay.
What do you think?
Let me look at it.
Line 3?
Well, there is one that says HTTP.
Wait. Well, the one I just allow HTTP connections when no cassette was not set.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
Uh,
So, okay, we can start playing with that. Yeah. What was it in initializers, right? The initializers VCR.
what do you mean no app specified? Restarting. Oh,
What is the letter C? Oh, is the index. Okay. All right. Never mind.
C is
No,
the,
no, no. It's the index.
yeah. Well, it's not the index. It's the VCR configuration, and it's passing it to a
Yeah.
block.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, restarting process done.
I think we'll have to
What?
let's play with that file. I think we are on the right track. So still not. Um,
Wait a minute. I gotta. I mean, I just did this locally. I gotta push this to Roku. Very silly. Git.
we're in the real stack right now.
What did I change? Config initializers.
Okay. Yeah. You in the controller. What do you do in the controller?
I don't know. I don't think anything. I'll check though.
And in the initializers, we uncommented that line.
No, I just put a debugger in the controller.
So I wonder if line 5 will be in conflict with line 4 now, because default cassette options record new episodes.
Alright.
Never mind. Let's run it and see what happens.
Think not. Let's see. Check out app.
Why is that failing now? Oh, because we're doing a.
I don't know. It's not failing now. Alright.
All right.
Is it because of the debugger? I don't think so. It says timeout. Maybe it was the debugger.
Maybe it was.
Oh no,
Yeah.
it doesn't say timeout. It says whatever. Alright. Git push. Whoops. Yikes, what was I thinking? Wait, that failed? No.
Don't you? Yeah, master. There you go.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Ready for the big moment?
Yes. Da-da-da. Drum roll.
Dun, 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 dun.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh.
But I do think we're on the right track with that file. I think it's just a matter of tweaking it.
Oops. I'll do that too. Okay, client in the console. And I'm going to do a query. I'm only going to ask for one. No, that's the wrong part of the link. This. Nope. April 18th. All right, but I think we're. Wait, did I push this to Heroku?
Maybe you're doing it on the.
Sorry?
Did you do it? Did you push to Heroku or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Git. I'm pretty sure I did. All right, what else can we try?
Let's go back to that file and let's talk about it, what we see.
I'm gonna have to go in
You need to go? Okay.
in like 10 minutes.
All right. Cool. So the first one is ignore localhost true. So that it shouldn't be a problem, right? Default cassette options, record new episodes. That's probably for the cassette options. Cassette library? No.
How do I tell?
VCR configure. Match request. Copy. Record none. Mariam?
Yeah.
Could we try to getting rid of the first two lines in that file? In the
Marcel, give me 1 second. I just got a call.
Sure.
Sorry. What do you want to try?
I was thinking about taking out like line 3 and 4.
Sheesh, let's just take out the whole thing. You know?
Well, we need to leave at least allow HTTP connections.
What if we just do this?
Do what?
Take everything out.
All right, cool. And then start adding them one at a time. Okay.
Why am I in two different windows here? Uh,
Because we know we need that configuration file, I think. Maybe not.
we shouldn't need it in production. I mean, you know?
Okay. So, but how is production finding? Oh, is making the API call directly from the query, from the controller?
Should. I mean, that's what we thought it would do, right?
Okay. Well, it's a good guess.
I don't know where I'll put this now. Alright, what's going on here?
What happened? Nothing, right?
Yeah. Wait, I did it again. I took it out and I didn't. Stupider and stupider by the day.
Maybe we need to. Maybe we should break for a while.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to go in 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, good idea. Are you gonna be back later, or you're gone for the day?
Heroku colon Scrum Spike, right?
Push what?
Oh, git push Heroku master.
Space. No, a Scrum Spike colon master.
I keep forgetting which way that goes. Oh, I don't know if I can come back. Probably. Yeah, later maybe. Are you gonna be around later?
Yeah, ping me in about. I need to go to the Office Depot and run another errand. So hour and a half maybe.
Yeah, it's gonna be longer than that.
Okay.
Well, I gotta
And
say, because
um,
I got in trouble with the carpool yesterday for canceling two, in addition to missing my own thing and accomplishing nothing.
okay.
So I think I might have to do both
Okay. Cool.
lists. So this is not. I mean, I don't know what this deal is with this. This is just weird.
Okay. All right. Can you push
Right,
everything to?
So,
Actually, I have a Heroku instance, so I can push it to my.
okay. Wait, I want to get rid of that last commit. So you don't want my last commit.
Which was what?
The one where I deleted the entire.
No, actually, well, what did you do?
right, let me just do another commit.
Yeah, do another commit. So now you put back VCR.
Yes.
All right, cool.
Okay.
All right.
That's all right. I'll see you later. I'll probably be back like 7. But if I come back before that, I'll see if you're around.
All right. 7 might be a little bit too late for me, but
Yeah.
if I'm not, if I don't start the job tomorrow, I'll be available.
Okay. Well.
I'll let you know.
All right. All right. Bye.
Bye.